Hello children, still with me Mr. Mulyadi in the garden. I just want to say to you, the drawing is so easy. Why I can say drawing so easy? Because I can show you the easy drawing. Okay, let's follow my drawing. Okay, let's see. Okay, today I want to draw the deer. There is no deer here, but it's okay. I want to imagine the deer drawing here. Okay, let's see. This is my drawing before. I just now I already draw this, and let's see. Okay, I gonna take. I think this is good for sketch. Oh, okay. How to draw deer? Okay, look. I want to draw the body first and the neck. See? Oh. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put some tree over here. One minute. Yes. Yeah. Okay, now I want, okay, because I already draw the tree, I gonna color the tree first. Wait, yeah, I think I have to fix my position. Oh. So like this. This is a bunch of leaf. You can use like dark green for the shadow, okay, and light green for the light part. Okay, I think I need your idea. What can I draw on the next video? Okay, so I can draw for you. This one. Then for the tree. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the brown color. And then this is yellow ochre for the light part. Okay, done. Now I want to complete the deer. Okay, this is the normal deer, yeah, not the reindeer. So the see, only like this. Oops. Okay, yeah, and then this is a bit. Don't press your pencil, your crayon. When you want light, don't press. When you want dark, you can press. And then this is for the mix. For the light part. Okay, I hope you like my channel because I make this channel for you so you can learn. Give me idea and you can learn from me the way I look at the way I draw. Okay, this one. Okay, I think it is done. Yeah. Now I want to complete the ground part. Actually, this is not easy to draw with the position like this, but it's okay. Because I like to share, I come to somewhere and then I draw something and I gonna share to you. Yeah. And then to complete this one, I can use the light green. Just keep standing like this. Okay. There is a lot of video in my channel, especially for kids. So because I like to share, so I make more video for you. Okay, and then the last touch with this. If you want to add more detail, you can add some line like this. Okay, now what else? This is the last touch, is this, the black one. To make it, the drawing is more bright, so you can see from a distance, you can trace with black. Yeah, but be careful, don't too much here. Only the object you can trace, so you can see the object. Oh, I see. Sometimes okay, I think that is done, Kate. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.